Hello, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to discuss about an utility or tool that I have created using Google Gemini Pro. I am going to walk you through the problem statement or use case, the functionalities, and also the benefits or pros. We'll also have a small demo that will show us how to use this tool. So I have named this the FINS utility. You can consider this as a digital money diary that will keep all your investments in a single place. Let me give you some context about this. So, one of my friend was discussing with me that he has taken a term life insurance and their family will get a huge amount in any unforeseen or unfortunate circumstances. So he also mentioned that how critical or crucial it is for him to let his family know about this investment or the insurance. So, which after discussing with him, I was thinking that what if someone forgot to tell their family about such insurances or investments, or even if they said, um, how far can just an oral discussion be remembered by their family, right? Especially these days where we won't have any physical bills, right? Everything is digital, and you will have all the bills in your mobile or in the emails. So that thought triggered an idea that there should be something like a report that should have all the investment details, and that should be easily shared or downloaded and printed. For that, I have created an utility that asks for different types of investments or government schemes or insurances along with their granular details like account numbers or policy numbers or IDs and apps where the investments are made, right? So the need, why do we need this utility? What's the need of this utility? So this slide explains that the need of utility. As I already mentioned, we would have multiple investments made in different places, and it's hard to find related papers and organize all of them, right? And also there is a chance that some of the papers can get lost, right? So this will help to keep everything in one place, as I mentioned. Now the second need is, what about the family? Does the family know about all your investments? What if there is some unforeseen circumstances, right? So you so the family should know about all the all the investments that the individual has made. So that is one more need for this utility. Yeah. Now moving on to the functionalities, we we have this tool creates an easy list where you will have all your investment related details, like for example you have multiple investments like mutual funds or LICs or any other government schemes. So you can keep a list of all those investments, and then the automath, what this will do, it will calculate your profit and losses, and also it will calculate your lump sum amount that you are going to get for all your yearly your yearly investments. Say for example your yearly premium for LIC is 20,000 and you are going to pay for 20 years, then this will do the automath and give you the final amount that you are going to get. You will also have a print ready document. You can just click on download the PDF. That will give you a PDF that you can simply take a printout and keep it with you or share it with your family. And if you want, you can also share the PDF as well. Now I'll move on to the demo. I've copied the link and I've pasted the link in the browser. I'll add this link in the video as well, in the details of this video, so that you can give it a shot. Now, so this is how the portal will look like. So I have ensured this will be some kind of a hub or a portal where we can have multiple multiple utilities or tools. Currently, the one which we are discussing is this, the FINS utility. This is already live. You can see here, and there is also space for more ideas. If we have anything, we'll keep on adding here. And we also have some place for the creator. I've given some details about myself, and then we have a get in touch section or contact section at the bottom. This is how the portal look like. I've given a name, innovation hub, for this, because that I felt that would be a app name. So let's move on to the demo for the FINS utility. So we can click on this launch tool button. That will take us to the tool. This is how the tool will look like. You can see some details related to the tool here, the name, some logo, and then we also have a portfolio owner name here. So in this demo I'm going to use a name. Right. And then it will by default have some values. I'll remove them. Okay, now this is how a blank page look like. To add investment, we need to click on this add new item, and then you have multiple options here. If you click on this, you can see either you will have either it could be an investment, it could be an insurance, or it could be a government scheme, right? So we'll give one investment for each type, and see how the report looks like. So I've selected investment. I'm giving a account number, then the investment name, like for example it could be equity, and where exactly the investment is made, in this case, say for example Zero the app. And the investment amount will be 25,000. The current value is 30,000. You can give the start date and the nomination. I'm giving the nomination details as well, and the relation in the bracket. Leave the password field blank, so that you can fill it after downloading the PDF and taking the printout. So this is one investment. This is done. Then I'll add a new item. For that you have to click again on the add new item. So once you click that, you will also get the same details one more time. You can say for example in this case select insurance, and the policy number could be something, then the name, um, savings or something, the policy name you can give, or you can give life insurance, and which app is it, or where exactly you're doing the investment. Say this will be in the LIC, and you are doing a payment of 10,000, and the term is for 5 years. The same details of nominee and the relation. Let's add one more for the government scheme. Click the button again, add new. I'll select government scheme, then the account number or ID, then the name of it. For example, if it's a PPF account, where exactly are you doing that investment? I have selected SBI Bank. Then the investment is 20,000. The current total is 28,000. Maturity date could be based. I have, for sample, I have given some random date, but it will be the actuals when you fill it. And the nominee details. So now you can see I have we have Sachin's portfolio here. He has done three type of investments. One is the investment in equity. He has made 25,000 in Indian equity in Zerodha app, and then he has life insurance of 10,000 per year for 5 years, and he also has a PPF account, and he has invested 20,000 in it. So these are all the investments Sachin has made. I'll click on the view report. Once you click on the view report, it will give you the report, right? So you have the details of the summary, the name of the portfolio owner, the date when it is generated, the total investment, the current value, and crucially, what is the profit and loss, right? And you also have the tabular form where you will have all the details like the account number, the investment amount, the current value, the profit loss, the maturity status, and also the nominee as well. So once you gave all these details, now it's ready for download. Now what you have to do, you just have to click on the download PDF button. Once you click on the download PDF button, I will show you what will happen. So click on the download PDF. Your PDF is ready, downloaded and ready. See, this is how the report will look like. It will have some basic details at the top. Similarly, like portfolio owner name, the date, and some contact details. And at the bottom, in a tabular format, it will have all the details like account number, what type of investment it is, and where exactly the investment is made, and how much is the investment value, what is the current value, what is the profit and loss, and the maturity status and the nominee. So this is how the PDF will look like. You can simply take a printout of this, and when you take a printout, you can write your password with your pencil and save this. So when I mean, there will be a frequent change in the password, right? Most of the website or apps ask you to change password every 6 minutes, 6 months, or 3 months. So you can, once you change the password, you can simply erase the old one and write down the new one with a pencil here, so that whoever has this report or this PDF can easily access your investment when in need or when they need it. Okay, moving on, we also have two more functionalities called export and import. When this will be used, I'll let you know. Say for example, Sachin has done these all these investments as of date, as of today, right? And he has generated a report. Now tomorrow he has started a new investment, and he want to create a report for a consolidated report including the new investment as well. In such case, we have to give all the old investment details again, right? All these investment details he has to give, and then the fourth one also he has to give. That is a rework, right? So we don't want that. So for that we will use this backup button. So when you click on this backup button, the all the current investments will be backed up. This will create a backup of the current investments, and then when you want to add let me show you. I will remove the current such investments. You already have backed up, right? So now I export, restore, or restore the backed up investments, right? How it will look like. Yeah. See, I have imported the backed up investment from. Okay, this is some other portfolio, but yeah, you can take this as a sample. So this is the backed up investments. All the three you can see here. They are back into the in this tool. So now if you want to add one more new investment, you can just simply click on a new investment and then generate the report again, and also add download the PDF again. There is one more thing for clear data. This will be used, for example, if you want to do a fresh report, right? If you want to create a fresh report, this will be used. So when you clear the data, all the old data will be gone, but here see you will see a default one as the samples, but that will be used to erase all the previous data. If you want to erase the data from the tool so that no one wants to see your data, you can make use of this clear saved data. So yeah, that's all I have today. Please let me know if you want to have a separate session on how I created this using a Gemini Pro. So we can have a separate session on that, how to create any utilities or tool from your idea. Yeah. So I will also attach the URL and the sample report um, in the details section of this video. Please let me know if you have any queries as well in the comments. Thank you.